So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to italicize font inside of a chart here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here and just add a chart to your presentation. So press on chart. I'm just going to go ahead and select this 2D chart right here. Now, if you want to edit, or I guess italicize the font or the text right here, so like the x-axis or the y-axis, for instance, simply just press on whatever text you want to italicize. It'll open up this axis labels right here. And then where it says font, go to where there's this I right here, press on italicize. It'll do exactly that. Same thing works on the other axis as well. Press on italicize, and you can italicize the font or the text inside of this chart. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to italicize chart font on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.